Another chrome King Dick spanner. Again, that's like one of the others we've got where it's quite a nice looking spanner, but the chrome is past its best. There's just muck in there, so that's all going to clean up. Expect that one's still going to be a good functional spanner. Another Bedford spanner. I've only seen 2 of those so far, so I'll be lucky if we see a set. Again, that's an Imperial spanner. Has a Laura again, although that's a double open ender marked AF. Chrome favourite again. Chrome alloy steel, Snail brand. Well, that is a surprise, isn't it? That's a big spanner on the set. G-door again. Finish probably wasn't that great at the start. 21 and 23 millimeters. That may come in useful in the tool set because I do have a gap. 24 millimeters for some tooling, and 20 millimeters is the top of the normal set that I've got of ring spanners. Again, number 6, possibly part of a set somewhere. I did have a G-door pile, didn't I? There's a new pile now. This is another India spanner. That's making a run for the line, that one for sure. We may end up with a set. This is an odd one, Kennedy. 16 and 17. So I'm sure we've got almost one of every spanner here, but not one of them is a set. Another Allura. Maybe a set in the Alluras, although made in England. It's a Bedford again, double ring spanner. That may clean up okay. Again, I think it's got somebody's initials on there. Bedford. Well, that's bizarre. Spanners unmarked as DIN. Another one with G-door on it. And another one with Heiko. And they're definitely related. So someone in Germany was making spanners for lots of people. I think we're coming to the bottom of the pile. There's a Williams Super Slim, although I think that may apply to the regular spanners rather than this particular one. 7/8 and 3/4 AF. Again, the chrome is very poor. At, if it's decreased and rust and Scotch Brite, it might not call it quite so bad. Interesting point on this one is the extra thickness around at the points where it joins the handle. Obviously, it's their way of combating stress rather than a draconian loop and couple up, hope for the best. Yeah, it's another odd spanner. Say so again. Though we may have had a look at that one already. Probably clean up okay. chrome favourite. I better put that to one side, it keeps turning up. Another Allura. It's that funny spanner again, isn't it? Right, I'll put that down here somewhere so I know I've looked at it. Another Allura. Again, chrome's chipped off, which is poor. It's satin chrome, made in Germany. Nice spanner, 8th Whitworth. Well, there's one every type. Everest. I had one of these at this particular size. This has got Abingdon on it. Something on there about trademark. Maybe I'll see what that is. Something about United Kingdom on there. Maybe the spanner size. But I got one of these as a Ford spanner, a branded Ford one. But this one isn't in quite great shape because maybe we can recover it with one of our workshop processes. But you can see that it was either manufactured that way or it's had some abuse. But it is quite tight down the bottom end, so there may be a bend in this at some point. But take that apart and have a measure of it after it's cleaned, and then see what we can do with it. I think the only reason I find these appealing because my dad had one in his toolbox. Though it's the smaller size than this one. They will probably never use it as a spanner, but it's nice for nostalgia purposes. Got a load of these. This is an unbranded spanner. We'll need some work because it's got a twist in it, so I'm not quite sure what somebody's been using that for. The jaws are swaged a little at that end, and there's a twist here, so it corkscrews round and then flattens out. So it'll probably be recovered, although it's not great value in it. I mean, if you look at this end, you can see that that's diverging again, so that'd have to be reverted back to whatever size it's supposed to be, although I'm not going to hazard a guess because we're Imperial, BSW and BSF, so I'd have to refer to a reference book for that.